everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. Okay, so today we have a special collaboration and we are celebrating autism acceptance and inclusion, and that's hosted by Glam Elegant Living. Now, the co-host of this collab is Dalidzu Cheredi, and I hope I said her name right. Creations by Simone, DIY design by CCW, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that is me. I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host down below in the description box along with the channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, so make sure to watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all you oldies and goodies that have been with me from the beginning or for a while, I want to tell you how much I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Now, did you know that if you watch the video all the way through and you click that like button, you help us YouTube creators to grow on YouTube? Okay, so let's jump into the video real quick so I can catch you up. This is not something that's a norm for me, so I am doing a tablescape setting for two. I thought for this setting, we would go with the checkered pattern. I'm absolutely loving that. Doesn't that give you Mackenzie Chow vibes? So we are going to be having a snack. We're going to be having some tea, and I'm going to be setting it for two. Now, did you know that supporters can participate in World Autism Month? Now, taking the pledge to create a world where all people with autism can reach their full potential by increasing understanding and acceptance. Now you can receive information, resources, and tools to engage and to advocate in your community and learn the impact of your support through Autism Speaks. I'm going to be linking below in the description box those websites that you can receive those resources. So let's invite everybody around us, whether they're colleagues, classroom, the friends, to just join in what's called the Kindness Campaign and encourage acceptance, understanding, and inclusion with daily acts of kindness at school, work, or in your community. Together, we can create a world where all people with autism can reach their full potential. Now, everyone is encouraged to participate, whether you have autism or love someone who does, or are looking for a supportive and diverse, accepting, and kind community, you're invited to take the plunge to help create a world where all people with autism can reach their full potential. I'm going to be linking below some information for you in the description box. So I'm absolutely loving the puzzle pieces that I created for this tablescape. Now I'm going to go ahead and leave you the music as I finish off the rest of this table, and then we'll head on over to the reveal. I cannot tell you how much fun I had putting this table together, especially for this cause, being that this situation has hit my home. So I'm so excited. I am done. Let's head on over to the reveal, guys. I do hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.